Welcome to our roundup of the best hole saw sets, essential cutting tools designed to create clean, precise holes in materials like wood, plastic, drywall, and even metal. Whether you're working on electrical installations, plumbing, DIY projects, or professional construction tasks, a reliable hole saw set can save time and deliver accurate results. Modern hole saw sets come with durable teeth, multiple size options, and sturdy arbors for better performance and long-term use. Many sets also include storage cases, quick change systems, and compatibility with different drill types for added convenience. Choosing the right hole saw set can improve cutting efficiency, reduce effort, and help you achieve cleaner, more professional results. Let's take a closer look at some of the best hole saw sets available right now. Starting with the Amazon Basics hole saw set. This model is a great option for users looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly set with a wide range of sizes and reliable performance for general-purpose tasks. It typically includes multiple hole saw blades designed for cutting wood, plastic, and softer materials with ease and consistency. The durable construction provides decent longevity for occasional use, while the included arbor and pilot drill help improve cutting accuracy and control during operation. Many versions come with a convenient carrying case that keeps all components organized and easy to transport. Users appreciate its value for money and ability to handle basic DIY projects without complications. Additionally, it delivers steady cutting performance and consistent results for light-duty applications. It also improves convenience, enhances versatility, and supports everyday home use. Next up is the Diamond Hole Saw Set, a versatile and specialized option designed for cutting hard materials such as glass, ceramic tiles, marble, and stone with precision and efficiency. This model typically features diamond-coated edges that provide superior cutting capability compared to standard hole saws when working with tough surfaces. It often requires water cooling during use to prevent overheating and extend the lifespan of the cutting edges. Many users appreciate its ability to create clean, smooth holes in delicate materials without cracking or damaging the surface. It is especially useful for bathroom installations, tile work, and professional applications. Additionally, it provides precise cutting performance and reliable results across different hard materials. It also improves accuracy, enhances durability, and supports specialized cutting tasks. Moving on to the Luckway hole saw set. This model is known for its durable construction, wide size range, and reliable performance in both DIY and semi-professional applications. It typically features high-speed steel or bimetal construction that improves cutting strength and allows it to handle wood, plastic, and thin metal surfaces effectively. The sharp teeth design helps ensure smoother cuts and reduces vibration during operation, improving overall control and efficiency. Many versions include a complete kit with multiple sizes, arbors, and accessories, making it a convenient all-in-one solution for various projects. Users often appreciate its solid build quality and ability to deliver consistent results across different materials. Additionally, it delivers efficient cutting performance and dependable operation. It also enhances durability, improves versatility, and supports multiple applications. Stepping up in performance, the Kata hole saw set offers a strong balance of durability, precision, and user-friendly design for more demanding cutting tasks. This model typically features reinforced construction with sharp, wear-resistant teeth that allow for cleaner and faster cuts across wood, PVC, drywall, and light metal. It often includes a quick-change arbor system that makes switching between sizes easier and more efficient, saving time during projects. Many users appreciate its sturdy design and ability to maintain cutting performance even after repeated use. The organized storage case helps keep all components secure and accessible. Additionally, it delivers reliable cutting results and consistent performance over time. It also improves efficiency, enhances control, and supports regular professional use. Taking the top spot is the Haichika hole saw set, a highly advanced and reliable option designed for maximum performance, durability, and versatility across a wide range of materials and applications. This model typically features high-quality bimetal or carbon steel construction that ensures strong cutting performance and long-lasting durability. It includes multiple hole sizes along with essential accessories such as arbors, pilot drills, and hex keys, making it a complete solution for various tasks. The sharp and efficient tooth design helps produce clean, accurate holes with minimal effort and reduced vibration. Users appreciate its consistent performance, durable build, and ability to handle both light and moderately heavy-duty work. Additionally, it delivers fast and efficient cutting results with stable operation. It also stands out for its versatility, advanced design, and overall value. All of these hole saw sets serve different needs depending on material type, durability, and usage. The Amazon Basics set offers affordability and simplicity for beginners. The Diamond set provides specialized cutting for hard materials like tile and glass. The Lucky Way set delivers solid performance with a wide range of sizes. The Kata set offers improved durability and ease of use. And the Haichika set stands out as the most versatile and well-rounded option overall. That wraps up our list of the best hole saw sets, from basic DIY kits to more advanced sets designed for professional-level performance. Whether you're cutting holes for installations, repairs, or creative projects, there's a great option here for you. Let us know in the comments which one you'd choose, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest prices and deals, and get precise, clean cuts with the right hole saw set.